Hello everyone, today we'll be making chocolate chip cookies. First, grab a bowl, and in this bowl you'll put 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, you will put 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, you'll put a pinch of salt. Then, you mix it all together until well combined and set it aside. Now you'll grab a separate bowl, and in this bowl you will add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure it's melted and cooled. Now you'll add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Finally, you'll add 1/3 cup of sugar and whisk or mix it for 1 to 2 minutes. This is what it should look like. You'll crack 1 large egg into the same bowl. Next, you'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until it is well combined. This is what it should look like once you're done mixing. Now, you'll add your dry ingredients into the wet batter and gently mix until well combined. This is what your batter should look like when you're done. Now you can add 1 1/2 cup of your semi-sweet chocolate chips. And mix your chocolate chips in with a spatula and try not to overmix your batter. This is what your batter should look like. Now you can scoop your cookies onto a prepared baking sheet and leave like about 2 inches of space between them. For the first batch, I did a whole scoop of batter. Once you're done scooping all your cookies onto your baking sheet, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook them for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. Once they're out of the oven, they should look like this, and set them aside to cool down. With this recipe, I was able to make 8 normal-sized cookies and 21 small cookies. This is what they should look like on the inside. They should be crunchy on the outside but soft on the inside. That's all. Bye.